Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Alright, we're back today with NFTs and crypto.com. Okay, these are live today, although they're sold out. I missed the boat. Crystal Fantasy, huh? Take a look. It's an interesting concept, right? It's very interesting. Not sure this is really my thing, but it's okay. Somebody likes it. Alright, got an auction going for 23 hours. Couple bids. Interesting. Alright, let's go back. What else we got? Crystal skulls. Yep, no, that's not my thing. Ladybugs. Alright. Tell me what you guys think about these. Am I missing something here? Because I'm just not getting it. I am just unimpressed with these NFTs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright? Let me know if you like these kind of videos where I'm... Well, that's interesting. But, okay. Interesting, but I am not buying it. Nope. Not for $199. Alright, let's go to the next one. Also live right now. I have this one. 7 Lions Worlds. Alright. What do we got here? Oh, it looks like they're all sold out. These are very interesting pieces of art for NFTs. I can hardly see anything. Alright. Edge. The Great Morass. Yeah. They got part of that right. Alright. Citadel in the sky. Let's see what that looks like. Above the heavens. Yeah, no. This is just not my thing. Let me know if am I missing something here, because these are unimpressive. I'd rather just go over to VV, get some stuff I know. They got cool stuff over there. See my other VV video. Yeah, they got cool stuff. Batman, Joker, Back to the Future. You know, stuff I understand. This, I don't get it. It's okay. It's new. It's different. Alright. Well, that's all I have, guys. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.